It's widely stated that business organizations of the future will be virtual. And the virtual organization has an infinite variety of structures, all of them fluid and changing. But the precise definitions of what it means to be a virtual organization are hard to find. The origin of the phrase is clear. It comes from the expression virtual reality, because it's your topic. An experience when electronically created sounds and images are made to look like reality. Hollywood is often cited like a template for the virtual organization. Because a number of freelances, from actors to directors, via set builders and publicity agents, come together with a common purpose to make a movie. They then go their separate ways, and another unrelated group of people with a similar set of skills come together to make another movie. Linked to the idea of the virtual organization is the idea of the virtual office, a place where space isn't allocated uniquely to individual employees. They work as and where they need to, wherever space is available. And this practice is commonly referred to as hot desking. And virtual office has an advantage of providing a different vista every day. But many specialists think that they know why we don't do that at the moment. Humans beings like to have a cave. But the first organization that figures how to make this work will save 25% on telephones, 25% on office space, and 25% on computers.